Welcome everyone to my channel. Today we are going to create our first web page together. I'll guide you through each step, so let's get started. First, create a new folder on your computer. Inside it, create a new text document. Name it however you want, and then change the file extension to .html. You'll get a confirmation message. Just click OK. You will notice the icon changes to your default browser icon. If you don't see the file extension, go to the View tab in your folder and make sure File Name Extensions is checked. This lets you easily change extensions for files. Now, double-click on your file to open it in your default browser. You will see it's blank since we haven't added any code yet. Right-click on the file name, go to Open With, and choose any text editor you like. You can use Notepad, but there are other editors like Notepad++, Sublime Text, and Visual Studio Code. Here I'll be using Visual Studio Code. When you open the file in VS Code, you will see an empty editor. Now we need to add the basic HTML structure. If you need more details, check out the link to my previous video where I explained it. In VS Code, there's a quick way to get the HTML structure. Just type the exclamation mark and press enter. This instantly gives you the basic HTML setup. Now, let's start adding content. To display something in web browser, type it inside the body section. I'll type Hello World here. Now check your browser again and refresh it. You should now see Hello World displayed. To add a title to your web page, go to the title tag in the head section and type your title there. Normally, you had saved the file after making changes, but VS Code has an autosave feature, so no need to worry about that. Now, head back to the browser and refresh it to see your updated title. That's it. I hope this video helped you create your very first web page. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video. And stay tuned for the next one.